How's it going, guys? Today I spent a good amount of the day, part of the day, redesigning my drone body, and this is what I kind of came up with. I haven't had a ton of experience with Fusion 360, but I can work my way around it a little bit. So this is my first design, and after I started printing it, I realized that the arms are actually way thicker, way wider than they kind of look on here. So I just made everything a little bit skinnier. That's the new one. That's what I'm currently printing. So it's pretty big. It's 40 centimeters squared, and I'm only going to have it be 8 millimeters thick. And this is with ABS, so it should be a little bit more, should be a bit stronger and able to take impact a little bit more, which is good for drones. So we'll see how that does. I want to make it really big because I've had, since I've been playing around with the body on my other, I guess just the other model that I've got right here. That's just a battery pack. It's some guy's business card that he gave me a while ago. Anyway. Yeah, this is just, I mean, I made another video about this, but these arms are just really wobbly. So that's why I made it with the support and stuff, you know, in between the arms. And this is going to be huge, but hopefully it won't weigh too much, and it'll give me a little bit more room to work with and make it more stable. So, yeah. I'm also kind of thinking about maybe making videos a little less frequently. I was trying to make them just like daily, but I think YouTube isn't liking that very much, and also I've noticed I've been getting a little bit fewer views. So I guess just let me know what you guys think about that. I'm curious. I wouldn't mind putting a little more effort into the videos and just doing like one a week and just having it be higher quality stuff. So just thought I'd throw it out there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. For those of you who do watch my videos daily, and yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.